Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya BJP legislator Sanbor Shillong sworn in as new minister in the NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government. Meghalaya Congress MLAs visit Yonkouli to extend moral support to local people. HITO members visit Yonkouli to extend moral support to local people. KHADC members condemns Assam police action at Yonkouli, and Minri Umsning School received rice not fit for consumption. And now the news in detail. BJP Meghalaya legislator Sanbor Shillong was sworn in as new minister in the NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government in Meghalaya. Shillong was sworn in by Meghalaya Governor Satyapal Malik at somber swearing-in ceremony held at the Darbar Hall of Raj Bhawan in Shillong. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Kesama and Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong and a handful of cabinet ministers attended the program with scanty police and high officials. Shillong was elected as member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council for the 5th consecutive terms from 1994. He won the Laban Assembly seat, now known as South Shillong Assembly seat, for the 3rd consecutive term. He also held the coveted post of Deputy Speaker of Meghalaya. Speaking to the media after the swearing ceremony, Shillong said the inner line permit issue has been in the manifestos of all the political parties in the last 50 years and sees it as a difficult proposition to be immediately implemented in Meghalaya.
We try. Since we are in the National Party, all these issues will be discussed about the league.
Minri Umsning School in Ribhoi district, which faced problem to provide midday meal to the students, has been rectified by the state government. This problem was found out during the inspection undertaken by the Yonkouli Youth Council unit, in which out of the 13 sacks of rice supplied by the government, 3 sacks were found out as not fit for consumption. This problem was brought to the notice of the government and immediately rectified. Members of Yonkouli Integrated Territorial Organization today visited Yonkouli border village in Ribhoi district to extend moral support to the local populace who were threatened by Assam police after dismantling all the electric posts erected by Meghalaya.
Itu orang Thai bukan boleh, no, tiap mana buat. Mana buat hal. Jar itu patut. Aduh, iwan itu, dengan hidup ngas, pun malih isu tu. Hak kata abadi kata kesel, iwan nanti peace, nanti dia. Kita di apil juga kan. Iwan mana untuk ngar kado. Malaysia ni kan hanya apil jong. Juga itu enough bagi dia boleh kontak. Ini ki dah besok. Ada ganti ke? Ada ganti. Dia mencium awan, besok menedar dia lagi deh. Banyak deh, ini bisa ni. MP1 ban ni keren. Baik ba ban I sim ni. MP ban keren ni. Ya kio kan. Dan kata ngasih kursi bisa mah, sir. Long ask the request from my end. That is my request. Okay, you take. Dan hari kami kaya ba sir.
Members of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today strongly condemned the action of Assam of dismantling the electric posts erected by Meghalaya at Yonkouli at Marwet in Ribhoi district. Speaking at the meeting, PM's aim strongly criticized the state government for not providing adequate police force to protect the people of Yonkouli. He said the people were left to defend themselves.
Ya kajing tulot jongga Meghalaya. Lada trei ka Assam hapa upur usam jongi yang ba milai namarwa ya kirat development nyemdei banlong ding penjang. Karbala na mangi pada ngit penroi ya kisnong kitau hapa upur usam jongi ka Assam kawan ban tempra. Ya hamni ngai ka Assam ka sim kabu ya kajing tulot jongga sorka Meghalaya.
On the other hand, Gabriel informed that Assam government provides heavy security whenever the Assam officials would inspect the borders.
Ngayon iya bagi wan ki pulit Assam nado ki porbon swa po lampi lari ki wan kim juan marwai kilawan de ki high profile de ki IG level ki jongi ha bagi le ki video ki magistrate ki ber hai UDC maki ki wan dak kanhon dak convoy ti kan ka jingwan ka joki ka pen singan wat ki Perlok itu kinong song juga Assam ki bahapit ki kur Assam ni. Karba ki jongi pada ki rit mesim mari I pulet labon. Kila tip ni jinglong jongi no kamtam no kontong. Lat lawan bono pulet lating lot bara. Rai sei ki manpower ki force ki jongi ni don bun kat kene ki battalion ki jongi andai sa ege haba jia ki border na karmen manang ne skman ki bor ki bapet naru ki bor sarkar ki bapet lo pen lain lem ta don kanu kanu ki jingjia khamtam ki border bu khambon sa ki force man sngain ki pajba ki nong snong jong ka Meghalaya ka jongi.
Meghalaya Congress MLAs comprising Meral Bonds Aim and George Lingdor today visited Yonkouli border village at Morwet, which was disturbed by Assam. During their visit, they had an altercation with Assam, who did not pay any kind of respect to the Meghalaya legislators, even after they had been told that these are the public representatives of Meghalaya.
So, we will stay. Let them be there. Because we are here, that's why we will wait. Then, people can tell you and who can come. You may never have I am not trying to show authority. I am not showing authority. You are trying to say I am doing my duty. What duty? Is this your duty to create a tension? No, I am not creating tension. Is this your duty to mandate people? I am not mandating people. Yes, I am mandating certain. You are not politely. I am talking politely. What is no, they are not talking politely. And what we are doing? We are what? Full. You are not. I am not saying that. But people can tell you who? This is Lord Lake. Yeah, come in. This entire deployment creating unnecessary tension. Prime Minister from Meghalaya. Wait, let him talk. You keep quiet and you step aside. Let him talk. Let him talk. Let him talk. Let him talk. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do? You are trying to show. What will you do? Since yesterday we see. No, sir. You have to know. What will you do? What will you do? You tell me. What will you do? Control your officer. You know how to control. You control. Is this the way? Is this the way you are? No. What will you do? I'm not doing so. What will you do? Don't do that. What will you do? I'm not doing it. I'm talking to you. I am not controlling
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.